Hey, all sorry about that. So hopefully this is the last and third part about the Hypochlorous Company and a game-changing and disruptive disinfectant cleaning chemical line of products. This is a quote, by the way, about for horse use. I depend on hypochlorous to keep my barn and horses healthy. That's by Betsy Steiner, USDF gold medalist. I don't know what it stands for, trainer and coach. Okay, pretty cool. Again, for those that are in the food service industry, let's see here. We got, yep, okay, so the food industry for all of you guys in restaurants, dining halls and all that. The ultimate non-toxic disinfection cleaner. Okay, and that's a game changer, my friend, and you'll be saving some money. And sorry, Ecolab, there probably might be take a little bit of business out of away from you. But anyways, that's what happens in the world as companies get disrupted. Okay, so again, where the mission is to get rid of the world of toxic cleaning chemicals and changing the world for good. So it's about time. More importantly, I'm motivated by helping people's health, especially with kids with allergies, other people that have chronic health conditions that could be contributed by, toxic cleaning chemicals. So replace toxic chemicals, powerful germ killer, does not discolor, kills bacteria, viruses. We already talked about this, okay? So this is a game changer as far as I know. Again, contact me if you have any product or distributor questions. Let's see here. Another thing for those that are in the pool and spa industry, okay, safer, low-cost chlorine alternative. That is a no-brainer. Definitely contact me if you're in a homeowners association or you're in the pool business, like Pinch a Penny independent franchisees. Hopefully they'll allow you to offer this at your place of business, okay? And then let me show you the hypochlorous generator. Where did it go? Okay, here, science base. So chlorine-based pool chemicals, the most common chemicals, dichlor and trichlor, contain more than 50%, less than 50% actual chlorine. Chlorine dissipates quickly, needing to be replaced. Cyanic acid never goes away unless the water is completely drained. As you continuously add chlorine, the cyanic acid content builds up, causing serious health effects. I never knew that, actually. That's news to me. Okay, so what the solution, the hypochlorous alternative, if you see here, it's 80 times more powerful than chlorine-based cleaners, okay? The hypochlorous generator safely electrolyzes a purified salt additive, turning it into hypochlorous acid as a neutral pH. It is 80 times more powerful than liquid chlorine in killing germs while staying safe for the skin, eyes, hair, and all your pool equipment and gear. Okay, it also replaces the need for routine addition of chlorine-based chemicals. The only maintenance you have to deal with is monitoring pool water pH and other water balance parameters. That sounds like a no-brainer to me, don't you think so too? Okay, so we got... Anyways, contact me again. My landline number is 786-441-2727. Again, leave me a voicemail at 786-441-2727, okay? Let's see here. And lastly, so that's my business card. Just contact me there, okay? Sorry, I'm not into texting, but if you absolutely must text me, my mobile number is not on this card, but it's 305-297-9360 for texting only, okay? Again, that's 305-297-9360. Only if you're very serious about the products and or want to join my team, again, to help rid the world of toxic chemicals. That's my link to join, okay? tinyurl.com/rid the world of toxic chemicals with an S and earn extra money, okay? If you know any Ecolab sales representatives, sales reps, have them call me too as well, for sure. Okay? And thank you for your kind time and attention. Sorry this was in 3 parts. My memory got full. But anyways, Again, my coupon code is HowToDieOfNothing, which you can save some money. That's all letters, HowToDieOfNothing, which you can use at checkout, either their shorter site, which is TryHypo, TryHypo.com, or their main site, which is HOCLpro.com, okay? That's H as in hypo, O as in oxygen, C as in chlorine, L as in Lima, PRO.com, as you can see here, okay? So, yeah, ignore that link there. Anyways, take care and thank you. Please share this video with as many people as possible because we need to get the word out about this far, far safer, game-changing and disruptive, non-toxic, organic, EPA-registered line of disinfectant cleaning products, okay? It's a no-brainer. Take care. You can also email me at howtodieofnothing@gmail.com, all letters, HowToDieOfNothing. If you do reach out to the company directly, please mention my name, Danny Zen, that's D-A-N-N-Y, T as in Tango, S Sierra, E Echo, N November, G Golf, and be sure to give them my coupon code, again, HowToDieOfNothing, all letters, HowToDieOfNothing, okay? Take care, and these are some of my other shorter links. If you have trouble remembering that coupon code, you can use tinyurl.com/safesanitizer or tinyurl.com/tryhypo, okay? Or better yet, tinyurl.com/saveonorganiccleaners also works, as you see there, okay? Well, take care, guys. If you do place an order, be sure to forward me a copy of your email order confirmation if you use my coupon code so I can make sure your order ships out in a timely manner, okay? Bye-bye.